Hi everyone, welcome to English Friend360. Today, let us talk about something that is very important to improve our English speaking skills. That is, how to start speaking English as a beginner. So, here is the thing actually, most of us feel scared when we think about speaking English. Maybe you are worried about making mistakes or you think people will laugh at you. But remember, here is the secret everyone starts from zero. Even fluent speakers were beginners once. So, first things first, let's remove that fear. Okay, making mistakes is very common in the beginning stage. So, say it with me. Mistakes are my best teachers. Mistakes are my best teachers. So, to start speaking English as a beginner, there is a process, and let's break down that process into 7 simple steps. Ready? Alright. Step number 1, start with the simple sentences. Start with the simple sentences. Don't overcomplicate things. For example, instead of thinking, I want to speak English fluently in 6 months, just start with the small sentences. You can say things like, I like coffee, today is sunny, I am happy. Very easy. Okay? So, start with the simple sentences. And if you are not sure what to say, just to describe your day. For example, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work, like this. Remember, simple sentences are always your best friends. Okay? Now, step number 2, practice speaking out loud. Okay, now this is super important. Practice speaking out loud. I mean, whenever you read anything, don't just read silently. Say the words aloud. And moreover, you can talk to yourself in the mirror or pretend you are having a conversation with someone. For example, you can just stand in front of a mirror and say, Hi, how are you? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. And what about you? Okay, practicing out loud in this way helps your brain get used to forming English sentences. Okay, now step number 3, use the words you already know. Now here is a tip that is often ignored. Use the words you already know. Like if you know the word apple, you can say I like apples or this is an apple, right? You don't need a big vocabulary to start speaking. Work with what you have got and slowly you will improve. Okay, now step number 4, listen and repeat. Have you ever watched a baby learn to talk? They listen first, then they try to copy, right? You can also do the same. Watch English movies, listen to English songs or even cartoons, and whenever you hear something simple, repeat it. For example, how are you, what is your name, like this. Just copy the way they say it. That's it. And don't worry about sounding perfect. Accents don't matter, clarity does. Okay, now step number 5, find a speaking partner. I know this one might feel a bit scary, but step number 5 is find someone to talk to. It can be a friend, a teacher, or even a speaking app. If you can't find anyone, well, talk to me in the comments, just start interacting. And if you feel shy, start with texting. Once you are comfortable, move to voice messages or calls. Baby steps, okay? Now, step number 6, practice daily even for 5 minutes. Consistency is the key. You don't have to practice for hours. Just 5 to 10 minutes every day is enough. Maybe you can describe what you see around you, like this is a chair and that is a table. I see a book. In this way, this simple habit can make a huge difference. Okay, and step number 7, be patient with yourself. Finally, be patient. Learning to speak English is like planting a tree. It takes time to grow. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own pace. Simply celebrate small wins like learning a new word or completing a sentence without stopping. Okay? All right. So, these are the 7 steps that can help you start speaking English as a beginner. Let's quickly recap. Step number 1, start with the simple sentences. Step number 2, practice speaking out loud. Step number 3, use the words you already know. Step number 4, listen and repeat. Step number 5, find a speaking partner. Step number 6, Practice daily even for 5 minutes. And step number 7, be patient with yourself. Okay, I'm sure if you follow these 7 steps, you will slowly start speaking English naturally. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. And you are already one step closer just by watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Friend 360. And leave a comment down below with the first sentence that you are going to practice today. Okay, let's learn together. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.